Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. All right, I'm a little bit behind schedule today because I had to go get my nails done. So they were closed on Monday. So everybody was like lined up when I got there when they first opened. So everybody had the same idea. So I had to wait a little bit, but I didn't do too bad. So ended up getting purple. Yeah, it matches my box, right? Purple. All right, so today we are actually going to be doing stuffing for my savings challenge. You guys know that I am trying to tackle this 50 envelope savings challenge because I want to knock it out for this year, and I'm doing 2 boxes that I'm stuffing, and then we're actually going to be adding to, I think it's week 27 to my 52 weeks savings challenges. Not sure, but I'll have to check in my 𝗗𝗦𝗏𝗗𝗘 just to make sure that I'm correct, not correctly. Okay, so I actually don't know how much cash I'm actually going to be stuffing. And for these here, I did y'all been really messaging me, but you know, I don't mind at all. But I did end up putting these on there straight out of debt, and this is like a gold color, so I do have these added to the shop. And I do like how that gold came out. And that was my next thing that was on my list after I finished with these. Okay, so let's go ahead and get our 50 envelopes A6 savings challenge cards out. And y'all, these are looking lovely because we are getting through it. We're getting through it. So I seriously don't know which one I'm actually going to be doing because I don't seriously know how much extra cash I have in there. So like I said, we're just going to figure it out and see what we have. So I'm going to go ahead and see how much I have. And y'all, I think the black binders are, I think they are pretty much sold out. So I will have to restock these. I do have a couple pinks and I do have some browns left. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab that, my extra cash. And let's go ahead and see how much we have. Open that. All right, so we have 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93. All right, so we got 93, right? I don't know why I wanted to say 193 when we have 93, right? 93. Okay, let me count that again. Okay, so y'all was able to figure out and see what I counted. Let me count it just to make sure because I can't see it. 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93. Yep. So we have $93. I'm just going to put it this way. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do, I know I ended up grabbing this out. I'm going to put this to the side here. I'm going to go ahead and do my 52 weeks savings challenges. So I'm going to put that in first. So let me go ahead and go to my little 52 week savings challenge. And this right here, guys, is a 𝗗𝗦𝗏𝗗𝗘 weeks. And I didn't folded this up. But I really love this planner. This planner is like off the chain. I know it's not so glamorous, but it gets the job done of letting me get the things done that I need to get done. And I've already ordered my 𝗗𝗦𝗏𝗗𝗘 for 2023, but I'm seriously going to keep my Animal Crossing cover because I love this thing. Okay, so oh no, we're actually on week 28. I was thinking we was on week 27, but we're on week 28. And I'll put this up close so you guys can see. And that's how I just keep track of it in here. And I done ripped out some pages. I don't know what I was thinking. All right, so we're doing $29 for that. And so we need to go. We need to find, and I did go back and tri-fold all of my bills, so it makes it lay a lot better. All right, so we're doing week 28, and I think the next batch that I'm going to do, I might just do stickers in the bottom corner, or I'm not sure how I'm going to do it, but I'm going to kind of switch it up a little bit. All right, so we're going to do $29, 2, 3, 4, So we got 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So we're going to tri-fold this bad boy and do it like this. And hopefully that fits lovely in here. Yep, there we go. All right, so we got $29 for week 28. So that was easy peasy, all done. That was super quick. All right, so this is the cash that we have left. Like I tell you guys, work with what you have. Even though I don't have any 50s, I don't have any 100s, but as you can see guys, by me actually just taking what I have, you can see like the progress that I have actually pretty much made with this challenge. So that's why I pretty much stress to you guys, like if you can only stuff $4 or you can only stuff $12, once you keep doing it consistently, these are going to add up. So I mean, I didn't do this in like 2 weeks, you know what I'm saying? So it takes time. I started at the beginning of the year, and it is what, September now. So like I said, it takes time. And number one, you don't have to start with 2. I just did 2 to just kind of like challenge myself, but you can just start off with 1. And if you want to do like half of a card, totally up to you. All right, so we're going to do, I'm going to actually do 31, 25, 30, 31. So we're going to do 20, 25, 30, 31. So I need to find a 31 card, and next year I need to organize this a little bit better. Like have a card set for each one. And y'all, I've been following, even though I don't have them, I've been following the student loan forgiveness. You guys let me know what you think about that, because it is like, I can't believe that they're actually doing it, because I know, you know, usually like there's a lot of say, you know, that things are going to happen, but it never does, or whatever, whatnot. But, you know, that's like all in the news now, which is good if people get it, you know. And I hope that the people that they also paid their loans off, I hope that they also get, you know, like some relief also too, because it's got to be hard, like, you know what I'm saying, working and raising a family and all that stuff like that, and you still have like a lot of student loans and the interest and everything like that. All right, so we have 20, 25, let's see, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So this is $33. I don't have anything close to 33. So y'all know what that means. So I'm just gonna find another 33. I'm not gonna put anything in here, and let's just find a 33. I told you guys, that's why I said I can't wait till I actually take all the money out, because some of them I actually put double the money in there like I'm doing now, because I don't have enough to fill in the envelope boxes. But if you can do it a different way, if you want to just pretty much just wait until you have enough, that is totally up to you. Like I said, you just figure it out and you do you, boo-boo, right? Okay, all right. So another thing I want to tell you guys is with the spending tracker books, I've had a lot of you guys message me about these. And I'll show you. This is the one I'm using right here. I don't know if I'm going to do the dividers, because I don't think I'm going to have enough. But like I said, once these books are pretty much gone, they're gone. They're not going to be back in stock ever. So you have to get it when you can get them. So this is the cover here. And like I said, you can always change the rings. You get 5 weeks for each month. And then these right here will fit the my expense tracking stickers there. And as you can see, it's just, and this is like thick, let me show you, thick cardstock paper that you're writing on, because I don't like putting stickers on flimsy paper. That's just me. And then I did make an envelope to go on the back. So you know how like you're in the store and then, you know, you're like rushing, and then you know, put your receipt in your purse, and then you sometimes forget that you even have the receipt. So that's why I just ended up putting a receipt envelope in the back, so you can just stick it in there, so that way you will not forget to track it in your Spend It, Track It tracker book. And this just fits dead in your purse. I usually just put mine in my little pouch, and I just put it in my purse like that. So that's how that works. So I did tell you guys the next time I did a video, those of you that messaged me, that I was going to actually show you guys those on there. And I need to put these back in there. All right, guys, so we are pretty much done with this cash envelope stuffing for our savings challenge. Thank you guys so much for chilling with me. And now it's time to get back to orders, time to get to work, right? All right, so like I said, if you did like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share. Thank you guys so much. And if you're not following me on my Instagram, my TikTok is called 𝗖𝗓𝗏𝗏𝗡𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. And then, like I always say, until next time, guys, peace.